This next part of our presentation is going to look at Vault Professional to push the modified part through the review and release lifecycle states and show how Cadline's AutoConnect application can help automate parts of this process to minimise the amount of time spent on low-value repeating tasks. We will also take a quick look at the Vault Thin client and Vault Mobile to show how we can share certain Vault information with other areas of the company that don't necessarily require a full Vault license. With Vault Professional, we have the option to create product lifecycle workflows that are fully customizable to your company's requirements. From simple work in progress to release workflows to full user-defined lifecycles, Vault Professional can control file behaviors and properties automatically, dependent on its current state. And with user-defined roles within Vault, we can control who can access files in each lifecycle state. To progress the file to the next state in the lifecycle, it is as simple as clicking a button. We select the part we want to progress. I'm just going to pick the top of this list here for this example. To progress the part to the next state, I select it in the Vault window and click the Change State button on the toolbar. This option is also available in the right-click menu. A new window will open where we can see that the current lifecycle assigned to the part, but when I click the state box in the top right, I can only see 3 of my 5 lifecycle states. There is no option for released or quick change. We click OK and the part file updates. We see a new version is added to the History tab, logging the changes to the file, and the Vault status icon is showing us there is a change. The Vault Thin client, available with Vault Professional, is a great way to share data stored in the Vault with other areas of the company, like production or sales staff. Once we sign into the Thin client, following the link in the email, we are taken directly to the drawing of the trowel spider. We can see the current state of files, though the Vault Thin client is set by default to only show files that are released, which is what makes this suitable for non-CAD users. We can navigate through the Vault folder structure again, noting that only release files are displayed. Another tool similar to the Thin client is Vault Mobile. Signing into the Vault, we see the same folder structure, and we can click through the folders to navigate through. Selecting the drawing of the trowel spider again, we can scroll through all the metadata associated with the file. Clicking the File tab will bring up any files linked to the trowel spider. I can select the PDF file for the drawing and select the View button to see a preview of the drawing. Vault Mobile has all the same functions as the Thin client and is also limited by default to only show released data. So between the web-based Thin client for desktop users and Vault Mobile for all other devices, you can keep all areas of the company up to date with the latest design data.